7 years ago, the arthritis got so bad in my hands I can't work anymore. So my life as an artist, quote unquote, is over. I have absolutely no sorrow or anger about not being able to work anymore, not being able to go in my studio in the morning and plug away and make mistakes and throw things away. I have done some, I've sold my work all over the world. I've done some beautiful work. I cannot say, I'm not world famous, but I was able to, in my life, in my lifetime, do something that few people are able to do. Really give over their lives to something that makes them. Someone said, how long ago did you retired 7 years ago? I said, no, I retired 35 years ago, 40 years ago. When I walked into my studio for the first time in the Netherlands, when it was my own studio, when I walked into that studio, I was no longer working. The creative process is not one of work. The creative process is the creative process. My relationship with Judaism, by the way, I'm Jewish and I happen to be an artist. My Jewishness has translated itself into 3 or 4 pieces that I have done. But outside of that, I'm not a religious artist.